Here you go, boys and girls. Here we got a LEXUS IS200. Talk to me about this LEXUS, Adam.
IS200 Stage 2 Turbo.
Yeah.
Retrofitted angel eyes. What else? LEDs all round. HSD coilovers, BBS RS alloys. Just doing a bit of music at the moment. So
Show me what's in the boot, brother.
so at the moment,
So we're gonna do
W6 at the moment. It's in a normal sported box.
So it's basically one of his own built one. He's done it himself. But we're gonna go for a 6-volt bypass. So if you look at the shelf, we're gonna basically take the shelf. The shelf's not gonna be taken out yet, but we're gonna cut a hole in the top there. You can see the marking. The port's gonna fire to the top of the shelf, and it's gonna be running the same sub. JL Audio 10W6. This is a one take video. I ain't got time to cut and chop. But anyway, this is the box we're gonna start working on. But that's just it. Just gonna measure up to make sure it all fits. So just basically that's there for now. I'm gonna finish off the box in a bit. But show me the engine bar. There's the inside of the car. Looks kind of pretty inside here still too. But I wasn't really a fan of IS200, but this one does look quite nice, and this makes one look really quite nice as well. So they've got all the turbo shit going on. But I mean shit, I mean good shit, not bad shit. Well, what's happening here? Adam, what's happening with the turbo? What's talking here? What's happening here?
So we've got a Stage 2 Turbo. I believe this is a D25 full code intake. What kind of brake are you talking? It's talking about 280 to 300. You've got a piggyback ECU, complete straight pipe, with a 5-inch back box outlet.
So all you're lacking off now is a bit of baseline.
That's it, yeah.
So you'll be redoing all that there. So yeah, the car does look mint. So we're just test fitting the box right now. So I'll put some pictures up a little bit later. But don't forget, we're on Facebook as well. Right, we've got a few bits in car. Okay, I haven't really got time to edit the video, so there's a one take I said to you guys. Yeah, car looks mint. Yeah, what amp are we going to run on this again?
So I've got a complete JL 500/1 and a 300/4 for the components.
Yeah.
And I've got a ABM battery.
Yeah.
Boot, so everything's all just at the back.
Okay, let's see what's happening here, man. We've got some all made up here. There we go. So I did a bit of work on here already. He's running all JL audio. And I'm sure Jose will love this, because he's a JL audio man and he does a lot of work with a lot of JL audio stuff. So yeah, gonna have to upgrade those to 0 gauge though.
Yeah.
Okay, at some point. So as soon as the bass light comes in. Yeah, alright, we're gonna leave it at 8, yeah?
Yeah.
This is Adam's ride. Like I say, I know Adam don't want his face catch on here, he's not really a camera guy. So yeah, I can't really hold the camera and then film myself at the same time. So this is the ride, so look out for it. Should be completed in the next couple of weeks anyway. But yeah, inside it looks mint though, isn't it? Okay, peace out once again, guys. Okay, wait for update, and hopefully I should get Adam's face on here, yeah? Out, guys, out.